as you may or not know, if you are in the UK right now, there is a raining storm out there. It's thunder and lightning.
Hey.
And I know it's really bad. I've been waiting for you to get to the lightning part, but as you can see right here, there's so heavy rain. Like, as you can see, right there, on the, so I ain't doing it anymore, and there's so much to say right now. There's so heavy rain. You guys, do you hear that? Guys, there's lightning. So, yeah, this is what I wanted to show you guys today. Bye.